Good morning, dear students. Today I am presenting you a video on a topic from Chapter 2 of Class 12th Business Studies. The name of the chapter is Principles of Management. By going through this video, you will be able to understand the meaning of principles of management and the nature of principles of management. So let's start with the meaning of management principles. What are management principles? The principles of management are the broad and the general guideline for decision making and action. Basically, these are the statements of fundamental truth which can be used by the managers under different situations. Means whenever the different situations comes to them, they apply these principles to such situations and come to the solutions for their problems. So basically these principles are providing them guidance for their thinking and their action. For example, when a manager is dividing the work among the subordinates, he is following the principle of division of work. Now I think the question must be coming to your mind that why these principles should be applied. And the answer is they are helping the managers to get the work done in an efficient way. I've also told you earlier that they are the guidelines and these are the things which are basically providing them guidance for their thinking. So let's move towards nature of principles of management. The first one is universal application. Universal application means the principles of management are universal in nature. They are applicable to all the kinds of organization and to all situations. They are widely applied in all the types of activities of the organizations. The next is general guideline. As told earlier, these are the guidelines. These principles are the guidelines which are being given by the management thinkers out of their experience. But these cannot be stated as exact as the principle of physical science because they are to be applied on the human beings. So let's move ahead. The third one is developed by practice and experimentation. Management principles have been developed by practitioners. These are the results of their practice and experiments which they have conducted on the real situations, and then they have derived these principles. The next one is flexibility. Flexibility means these principles are generally flexible in nature. Changes in these principles can be done as per the needs of the situation. Manager can modify them to meet the needs of the situation. For example, some principles may not be applicable in small firms to the same extent as in the large firms. So, manager can mold them as per his requirement. The next point is influence human behavior. The principles are meant for influencing the behavior of human being and getting higher performance from them. They guide them to respond under different situations. For example, principle of division of work helps the manager to regulate their behavior. Next one is cause and effect relationship. There is a cause and effect relationship in some management principles. Let's explain with an example. If we say principle of division of labor leads to specialization and increases efficiency, then division of labor is the cause and efficiency is its effect. I'm repeating once again. If we are saying principle of division of labor leads to specialization and increases efficiency, what is the cause here? Division of labor. And what is the effect? Efficiency. Now, the last point in the nature is contingent upon situations. Management principles are relative and not absolute laws. Their application is dependent upon prevailing conditions at a particular point of time, which means they cannot be applied blindly in all the situations. They must be applied carefully as per the need. So, this is the nature of principles of management. I hope all of you have understood the meaning and the nature of principles of management. Thank you so much, students. Thanks.